Hey, what up? It's Brad with Home Love Construction. Welcome to the Renovation Dictionary page. I wanted to shoot a quick video. Just give me 5 seconds and I'll explain to you why this little book, this little dictionary right here, could literally be the thing that saves you $20, $30, $40, even $50,000. If you're interested in that, listen to what I have to say here. So this is a little book that I put together. It's a dictionary of construction terms. It took us about 6 months to compile this. And what we did is we used our contract, and then we used a bunch of other industry references to pull out what are the most often used and most complicated and most often misunderstood words in construction. For example, something that we put in here was semi-custom cabinetry. And it also has ready to assemble cabinet. You may have a contractor just put it into your contract and you may think you're getting fully custom cabinetry, but really you're getting semi-custom, and there's a big difference. It's defined in here. On the back, I talked about, having an LVL or fascia or a stem wall not included or something like that. These are things where if you don't know what your contractor's saying, you could be saddled with a $30,000 change order for having to build up stem walls underneath your house. If you don't know what stem walls are, grab the Renovation Dictionary and you can find out. So literally my intention with this is to help you. It's a very, literally the hours that we put into this, I'm gonna have to sell thousands or tens of thousands of this to actually get our money back with the amount of staff hours that we put into compiling this. It's not a moneymaker for me. This is a let's actually help. This is a little flow to you to help you with your project, because I want to be the guy who helped tens, hundreds, millions of people with their construction projects. And they're like, hey, I trust that guy. I want to be the trusted contractor. There's no reason for contractors not to be the most trusted people in their community, and it's the complete opposite right now. So if you would do me the solid, and frankly do yourself the solid of supporting that mission by grabbing one of these, they're wildly inexpensive in comparison to what they're gonna save you. Like I said, literally a change order for just having to add an LVL or LVLs for 40 feet or 100 feet of stem wall, you're talking tens of thousands of dollars that could be saved by knowing what a contractor's saying before you sign your contract. So if you're about to sign a contract with a contractor, wait, grab one of these first, do the overnight shipping if you have to do that. Make sure you understand the terms that the contractor is using. Literally, I put on the cover, can a contractor rip you off if you know exactly what they're saying? I know the answer for me is no. Nobody can rip me off if I know what they're talking about. So if you want to have full confidence in what's happening on your project, get a Renovation Dictionary. It will serve you incredibly well. Go ahead and hit that order button below right now, fill out your form, and I look forward to and also do this. When you're done with your project and it went amazing, send me pictures of it. I love seeing pictures of finished projects. My email is on the back of the book. Thank you, and grab your copy right now.